To get started with automated trading using 3Commas, first create an account on the 3Commas website and connect your exchange account to the platform. This will allow you to access your exchange balances and trading history, and to execute trades automatically. Next, navigate to the Bots section and click on Create a Bot to set up your automated trading strategy. Choose the type of bot you want to use, such as a simple bot or a composite bot, and select the exchange and trading pair you want to use. Then, configure the bot settings, including the trading strategy, risk management, and take profit and stop loss levels. For example, you can set the bot to buy a certain cryptocurrency when its price falls below a certain level, and to sell when it reaches a certain profit percentage. After configuring the bot settings, click on Save and start to activate the bot. The bot will then begin executing trades automatically based on the settings you configured. It is also important to monitor and adjust the bot settings as needed to optimize performance and minimize losses. You can view the bot performance and trading history in the 3Commas dashboard, and make adjustments to the bot settings to improve results. In addition, 3Commas offers a range of tools and features to help you optimize your automated trading strategy, including technical indicators, risk management tools, and backtesting capabilities. By using these tools and following best practices, you can create a successful automated trading strategy using 3Commas. Overall, using 3Commas for automated trading can help you to save time, reduce emotions, and increase profitability, but it requires careful planning, monitoring, and adjustment to achieve optimal results. By following these steps and using the tools and features provided by 3Commas, you can create a successful automated trading strategy and achieve your trading goals.